In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your Android control panel to iOS control center. We will change this into this. Now let's begin. First, we need to install an app. So let's open Play Store and search for iCenter iOS 15. Here is the app. Let's install it. After the installation, open the app. Click on Continue to the app. Now you need to accept all of these three permissions to activate the iOS Control Center. First, click on Notification Access. Find the iControl app and enable. Now the second, click on Appear on top. Find the iControl app again and enable. Now the third one is Accessibility. Click on it. Find the iControl iOS 15 app again. Here it is. Click on it and enable. We have successfully turned our Android control panel to iOS control center. If we jump down our top right notification bar, it is now completely changed to iOS Control Center. Now if we jump down our top left notification bar, we can see our notifications. Let me know if it works for you and just comment down below for your questions.